This rather odd monument marks one of 3 places where Jewish people were deported from Berlin to the east, or to the south in fact. The Jewish population of Berlin was deported under the Nazis, first of all to the Łódź ghetto, then to Riga, and sometimes in Riga then people ended up in the ghetto, and other times they ended up being killed immediately. They were also deported to Theresienstadt, to Kovno, Kaunas, and at other places as well, such as Auschwitz. Those who went to Auschwitz, of course, were almost always killed on arrival. The other 2 places, Gruenewald, which is in the southwest of the capital, and Anhalter Bahnhof, which is in the centre. In fact, it was almost part of it, one no man's land on the East. There was no such thing as no man's land, I should say, in the East German security corridor. You see that this is quite an important station today. Well, maybe not the station is, but there's lots of trains coming in and out of it. This is Levetzowstrasse. Also, over there's Vattenfall, it's a power station, but the power station itself appears to date to possibly the end of the 19th century, maybe the beginning of the 20th. This monument here has been vandalized twice, to such an extent it had to be taken down. Once was with a bomb, and it is a bit unusual, particularly when compared to the for example, Gruenewald. Still, I think it makes the point. One thing I ought to state, though, is that the Levetzowstrasse synagogue is just down this street here, and so it's about 2.3 kilometers away. So in that case, it's relatively close to where the deportations were, compared to Gruenewald, which was 8 kilometers away. Now, the Nazis did lay on trucks for the oldest people and maybe people who were sick, but most people had to walk irrespective of the weather. The first deportation happened in pouring rain, for example, and one can imagine what state the people were in, then being crowded onto trains and then being taken to the Łódź ghetto and effectively dumped there. It's not a surprise that they died so quickly, given the fact that the malnutrition which would have happened earlier. Anyway, I've done lots more videos on the Holocaust from Berlin. If you're interested, then please subscribe.